I thought we already have plenty of text to image AI tools out there, but then I stumbled upon this Qualia and I thought of sharing it with you. So please be with me. The uniqueness about Qualia is that it provides you Google like simple experience. Just like Google got famous and very popular due to its simplicity of internet search, I think Qualia is trying to do the same. All you need to do is to give a prompt without any bells and whistles and frills, and it will create an image for you. So let's get started. I am logged into Qualia at the moment, and you can see there is not even mention of Qualia except in the URL, which I will drop in the video's description. Now, one thing is that it doesn't expand its text box for the prompt, but I have just given it a text prompt where I'm saying that imagine a serene, picturesque beach at sunset. The sky painted it warm hues of orange, pink, and purple, reflecting gently off the calm sea. The golden sand, untouched and soft, stretches out into the distance. In the foreground, a young woman with long flowing blonde hair stands facing the ocean. She is dressed in a light white summer dress that flutters slightly with the gentle sea breeze. Her posture is relaxed and she seems lost in the peacefulness of the scene, with her feet bare slightly sinking into the soft sand, and then so on and so forth. So let me press enter, and you see that it is working. And look at the quality of the images then, and the speed of it. There you go. So this is all AI generated. If you hover over it, it is telling you that it is from Stable Diffusion. It has given me the whole prompt, and then it has given propped it up with more keywords like cinematic, Timothy Allen, Jimmy Nelson. I have no idea what that is, but maybe something. And it's not showing the face. So this one looks good, and this one is from Delhi, the last one, and it has converted the prompt similarly. So I think it rewrites the prompt for you. Awesome stuff. So let's wait for all the images to come up. It will be interesting to see what models are being used here. I have waited like for 10 minutes, but it is still working, so I'm not sure if it is going to present me anything or not. So I'm not going to wait any further. Let me give it another prompt, and in this one I'm just giving it that picture a vast snowy landscape deep in the Arctic Circle. I'm going to press enter so that it will start working, and I will narrate it. Under the spellbinding dance of the northern lights, the sky above is a mesmerizing canvas of vibrant greens, purples, and blues weaving across the stars. There you go. In the center of this enchanting scene, a cozy wooden cabin with glowing windows sits nestled among snow-laden pine trees. On the bottom one I don't see pine trees, but on the top left it seems Stable Diffusion is more like manifest of what I'm writing in the prompt. It is also offering a beacon of warmth in the cold night, which is correct in both cases. And I think northern lights are more vivid in the Delhi cool. Okay, so this looks good, I would say. Let me try out one more prompt, which is about a vibrant desert oasis. Let me paste it first, and then I will read it out. So I'm saying it that envision a vibrant marketplace set in a lush oasis amidst a vast desert. The scene is alive with color and activity under a bright azure sky. Stalls and tents of richly dyed fabric, reds, oranges, and purples dot the landscape, offering exotic spices, precious jewels, and intricate handicrafts. Merchants in traditional attire barter passionately with a diverse crowd of travelers and locals. In the background, towering palm trees and flowing water provide a stark contrast to the surrounding desert sands. Camels rest nearby. So you can see that Stable Diffusion again I think looks better, whereas Delhi E is not really. I'm not really impressed by Delhi E. It seems like more cartoonish. I believe the rest of them, I'm not sure if they would ever come back or not, but at least we have stable diffusion. They said, I have no idea how much credit I have because I didn't log in, I didn't sign up, I didn't do anything. There is no, I would say, information available whatsoever. So that is pretty interesting. It is all for free at the moment, and the speed is quite good too. So I believe you can download it from here and then you can copy it too. How cool is that? So very nice experience. So it would be good to make the interface bit more, I should say, friendly, make this bit larger so that we would be able to see a bit more, maybe 2 lines. But I think they are just trying to, just like Google, they are just trying to give you as much real estate on this web page as possible. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on it. I'll drop the link to it in video's description. Play around with it, share your experience in the comments. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.